Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Fat. Today we have a second lecture on the aptitude test, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry we have two lectures because it's a very lengthy topic here. So coordinate geometry, this is part 1. Lecture 2, part 1, we have two parts of the coordinate geometry here. Now come to the first MCQs here. Altitudes of a triangle are altitudes perpendicular. Altitudes of a triangle are always concurrent. Altitudes are of a triangle are concurrent. So the C part of first MCQs is correct. Now come to the second MCQs. Inclination of y is equal to mx is. Now here, dear students, we have a general formula. Y is equals to mx plus c. Slope intercept form. Y is equals to mx plus c. So here we have a equation y is equals to x. That means the coefficient of x is 1. That is m is equals to 1. And we have a formula here, m is equals to tangent theta. So m is 1, tangent theta, and the theta it is equals to tangent inverse 1. Y is equal to mx plus c. So we have, when we have to compare this equation with the standard equation here, so m is equals to 1. So we have to put the value m, it is equals to 1. So theta will be equals to tangent inverse 1. So the tangent inverse 1, it is equals to 45 degree. So the correct option B is correct option. The inclination of this line y is equal to mx is 45 degree. So the correct option of the second MCQs is B, that is 45 degree. Now here, distance of the point 4, 5 from y-axis. This is y-axis. What will be the distance here? Now focus here, dear students. This is 4, 5. That means it is in the first quadrant. And we have to find out the distance from y-axis. So what will be the distance, what will be the point here on y-axis? On y-axis, the x component will be 0, 5. Y remains same, x is 0. Now we have to take out, we have to use the distance formula to find out the distance from this point to the y-axis. So here, x2 minus x1 to the whole square, y2 minus 1, y1 to the whole square in the radical. We have a distance formula here. So here we have to find out the direct value. 4 minus 0 to the whole square, 5 minus 5 to the whole square in the, so this is 0, 4 square cancel. So the answer is 4. So the distance from this point from y-axis is 4 units. So the B option is correct. So the third MCQ, the third correct MCQs is B, that is 4 units, and this is the procedure how to find out the distance. The same point, if we have to find out the distance from the y-axis or from the x-axis, so the situation will be changed here. So please remember that. It's a very important MCQs. Sometimes it is required the distance from y-axis as well as from the x-axis. Now come to the next MCQs here. Next MCQs is fourth. The point of concurrency of the medians are. The point of concurrency of the medians are called centroid. The point of concurrency of the medians are centroid. The point of concurrency of altitudes, it is called orthocenter. It is called orthocenter. So here the point of concurrency of the medians, it is called centroid. So the C option is correct of the fourth MCQs. Now a very important MCQs here. A very important MCQs here. The value of K for which the line kx minus 3y, it is equals to 4k. So find the value of y when the y-intercept is 4. Y-intercept is 4 means the value of x will be equal to 0. So here this is the equation kx minus 3y, it is equals to 4k. This is the 4k. Y-intercept, it is equals to 4. It is given in the question here. The y-intercept is 4. That means the value of x will be equal to 0. So the value of x will be 0 minus 3k equals to 4. So this factor becomes 0 and this is 12. 4k, 4 3s are 12. So the value of k, it is equals to minus 3. So the B option is correct in the fifth MCQs. So dear students, remember that here y-intercept means x0, x-intercept means y0. In this situation here, we have to find out the value of k when the y-intercept was 4. So that means the value of y is 4 and the value of x is 0. So we can easily find out the value of k. So we have the part 1, lecture 2 of the aptitude test, coordinate geometry, and we have a part 1. So we have another part 2 because it is the lengthy topic here. I hope you have considered, you have to see these all 5 important MCQs. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Math with Yasir Fahad. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.